Power failures can strike unexpectedly, yet your diesel generator must remain operational. A structured maintenance checklist is crucial for ensuring reliability and preventing costly downtime. Discover how a comprehensive checklist keeps your equipment ready and compliant with industry standards. The Diesel Generator Maintenance Checklist is a structured tool for inspections and testing. Engineers use it to inspect equipment, perform tests, and validate work. This ensures consistency and accuracy in inspections. It helps in preventing failures and extending the generator's lifespan. Safety and compliance are also consistently met. Visual inspection checks for leaks and damage. Fluid checks include oil, coolant, and fuel levels. Battery and electrical systems are evaluated for performance. Operational testing verifies voltage and frequency. Documentation records findings with notes and photos. Regular engine oil checks prevent wear and overheating. Clean air and fuel filters maintain airflow and fuel delivery. Monitoring the coolant system prevents overheating. Tightening electrical connections ensures optimal performance. These simple tasks ensure efficiency and reliability. eAuditor streamlines the maintenance process with digital workflows. Customizable templates allow quick setup without starting from scratch. Real-time data capture ensures immediate reporting of issues. Photos and videos provide clear evidence of defects. Automated reports are generated for comprehensive insights. Corrective action tracking assigns and monitors tasks effectively. Cloud-based access keeps teams connected and informed. Compliance trails improve audit readiness and regulatory adherence. Standardized inspections reduce human error. eAuditor enhances accuracy, speed, and accountability. Schedule inspections regularly to maintain generator health. Keep the generator clean and dry to avoid damage. Run load tests to ensure performance under real conditions. Train staff on proper procedures for effective maintenance. Preventive maintenance reduces failures and saves costs. A robust maintenance checklist ensures reliable and safe power systems. Combining clear processes with eAuditor simplifies maintenance. Leverage digital tools for efficient, automated workflows.